It's so funny to see her thought process because she was banging that and it was making noise. And then she grabbed the gloves and tried to do the gloves on it and it didn't do anything. And then she was hitting it with her hand. And then she grabbed the handle again. See, it makes more noise when I hit it with this thing. She was trying to grab the top of the barrel a minute ago, but she couldn't reach it, so she got the gloves. Get him. Handle the top of the barrel while you're walking by.
What?
Handle the top of that barrel thing.